Nowadays, presidents, millionaires, billionaires, everyone is coming on social media to make influence, to earn from YouTube, to earn from social media. That's why I recorded this video to teach you how to make your own fresh Gmail account, how to make a YouTube channel, how to do some of the most important YouTube settings so that your channel can rank better on YouTube. So in this video, there are a bunch of better points for you that you have to consider them. And now let's get into the video.
First of all, open YouTube. When you opened YouTube, then simply click on this logo. Then click on the accounts option. Then click on this plus icon as you can see here. Then a page will come and you have to open your password or give the pattern of your mobile phone. Now it's checking the info. Now this page come to us. First of all, we are creating a new Gmail, then we are making a YouTube channel from that Gmail. So when this page comes, then simply click on this option as you can see, create account. When you click here, the two options will come. First of all, it is saying for my personal use. The second one is saying for work or my business. You have to click on the first one. You have to click on for my personal use option. And then this page comes. First of all, at the first name, you have to enter your name. I'm entering my name. So my name is Muhammad Arham. And the last name, I have to enter my last name. Then simply click on the next option. When you click on it, then here we have three options at the top. The first one is month, the second one is day, the third one is year, and at the bottom part we have the gender option. So click on the month. You have to enter your original birthday. Then click on the next option, and now this page will come. YouTube is already preparing the Gmail accounts for you that are available for you. If you want, click on one of them. If you don't want, and if you want to have your own Gmail address, then you have to click on this option. To make your own Gmail address. I wrote down this Gmail address, then you have to click on the next option. It is telling me that username is taken and I have to try another one or bring some changes in this Gmail address. So for that, I'm gonna add something else like another 0 with my Gmail address. Now it is telling me that this username is taken. So for that, I'm gonna remove these numbers and instead I gotta add like my last name with, and now I have to enter like 10 number with, then I have to click on the next option. So it accepted my Gmail address, and now this page comes. The password page comes here to you. You have to enter your strong password. So for that, I'm gonna enter like this. When you enter your password, then simply click on the next option here. And your Gmail account is gonna be created. Then simply click on that new Gmail account here. Now click on the logo. Then click on this option. As you can see here, create a channel. Click here and this page will come. It is telling you the first option is that picture. You have to enter your picture. So for that, if you have your picture, please enter that picture to this logo. And for the name and the handle, we're gonna take help of ChatGPT. So for that, simply go from this place and come to ChatGPT. Here you have to say something like this. I wrote down everything about my channel here. Then you have to click on this arrow button. Now it is giving me 20 names like this. But first of all, you have to copy them and then you have to search them on YouTube, because if they are already available on YouTube, then your channel is not gonna be ranking. I'm gonna come here to the YouTube and click on the search option and paste that name. As you can see here, we have a lot of the channels having the same name like Clipsen. Then I'm gonna try another name. And you have to try the same way as how I'm trying, because if you do not try your best, your channel is not gonna be in the ranking. So finally I selected a name, Editro, and I didn't find any channel by this name. As you can see, I'm scrolling here and I can't see any channel by this name. That's why I'm gonna select this one, and then you have to come to your profile icon and click on the create channel option. For the name, click on this arrow button and select all the name of my own name, and then paste that channel name and click on the save button. Then come here to the handle. The handle has to be Editro. If it is not available, then you have to add something like official, like this. It is taken. So finally I wrote down the Editro home. Then click on the save option here. For the profile, I'm not gonna enter my picture. I'm gonna enter my profile picture. If you have your own profile picture, enter that one. Then click on the option here. As you can see, create a channel. Click on this option and our channel is created like this. This is our channel. Then click on the edit option here. Now come here, click on the description button here, and you have to come here to ChatGPT and you have to get help of ChatGPT and copy that description from here and paste it here like this, and then click on this save button here. When you make your Gmail account and do the basic settings in YouTube, then you have to click on the Chrome browser and open it. Then on the search option, type like YouTube, create a YouTube creator studio. Click on this option here. Wait a few seconds and this page will come. Just click on continue, and then at the bottom, at the left side of the bottom, click on this settings option here, and this page will come. First of all, it is requiring the information about currency. When you monetize your YouTube channel, then you have to select the currency. As for now, I have selected the US dollar, and then click on the channel option here. First of all, enter the country residence, like country of residence. I'm gonna select. When you enter your residence of your country, then the second option is keywords. For keywords, just simply come to ChatGPT and tell the ChatGPT that generate the keywords to me. Simply copy them, and here you have to paste them. When you pasted all the keywords and the YouTube settings option, then click on the second option. As you can see here, we have advanced settings. Click on this. This is very important for you. First of all, click on this option, this, the middle one. You have to click on it, this one. You have to now click on other options. You just have to click on this option because your content has to be for over 15 years old boys. And now come here and check this option, and we don't have any other special option here. Then click on the feature eligibility option here. Here the first one is enabled, the second one is not enabled, and the third one is not also enabled. But before we're doing this, come here to upload defaults option here, the third option, this option, this one. When you come to upload defaults option, here you have to click on the visibility and select unlisted, and don't add anything here to the title and description. Click on the advanced settings here, and then select your category. I'm gonna select my category. So here I have to, if you don't know on which category you have to click, just go to ChatGPT. Like I'm coming to ChatGPT and telling him what is my category, what is my category, like this. The ChatGPT will directly say to me, your main category is science and technology. So I have to click here on the option science and technology option here. When you click here, then come here, video language. On which language are you speaking in the video? I mean, like recently I'm speaking in English here in the language, that's why I'm gonna select the English. Then click on this option here and select the first one, this one. And then click on the third option here, like title and description language. It has to be also in English. When you did it, then simply come here to this button here. In the feature eligibility option, here I'll be teaching you practically in the next video how this option is working. And the third option is going to be automatically enabled with the time, but the second option is not going to be enabled automatically. but we're gonna practically make a video about it, because when you are uploading a video and giving thumbnail or uploading over 15 minutes video, it's gonna require your phone number. So for that, I'm gonna practically teach you how to make this process possible. So for that, I'm gonna make a video and I'll be practically teaching you how you can enable this second feature. And then simply click here on the option like save button here to save all of your settings on YouTube Creator Studio. I clicked here. Now our channel is completely ready, but there are some settings like if you don't know how to make a logo, I'm gonna make a video about it, how to make a logo. If you don't know how to make a banner, here as we have how to make a banner here, like in this option here, then I'm gonna make a video about that. So this was how to make a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to make a logo or banner, then please tell it to me in the comments. I'm gonna make a video about it. Don't post anything on the first day. On the first 2 to 3 days, you have to scroll through the YouTube and through the YouTube Shorts option here, like this, because YouTube has to, you have to give a signal to the YouTube that you are a real human being, and that's gonna make your trust score so much higher, and then you're not gonna be facing the zero view jail problem. So this was our video. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe the channel to see more videos about content creation.